What is dry brining? Dry brining is a method of brining without the brining solution, big giant mess, or diluting a bunch of expensive seasonings and salt. It consists of salting a piece of meat and then letting it sit in open air in the refrigerator. What do you need to dry brine? It's quite simple. You only need a few items. You need some salt. I use coarse ground kosher salt. You can also use sea salt or rock salt or fine ground kosher salt. You cannot use table salt. And you will also need some kind of a wire rack and baking sheet. What can you dry brine? You can dry brine any kind of meat, bone in or boneless. What you cannot dry brine is meat that is ground or shaved or sliced. It won't work, don't do it. How do you dry brine? Dry brining is a simple process. First, do any desired trimming of fat or processing flaws, and then pat dry any surface moisture with a paper towel. Next, you will coat the entire surface of the meat nice and evenly with salt, right like so. And it is this point you can also add your other seasonings and flavors if desired. Finally, you will place it on the wire rack, uncovered, in the fridge. How long should you dry brine? Using this method, a brine can be achieved in as little as an hour for smaller cuts of meat like a steak or maybe like a chicken breast. Other meats like a whole chicken or maybe a roast, you need to do at least overnight. You should plan ahead to not dry brine for more than 24 hours. What are the benefits of dry brining? Beyond the deeply seasoned flavor and the ease of the process, dry brining also helps form a nice crust or skin on the outermost part of the meat. This helps with moisture retention, which makes everybody's day better. This really elevates your cooking and eating experience. I hope you enjoyed this educational nibble. If you don't mind, please leave me a like and consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.